Hello friends, welcome to scenario based MCQ series. Today we will talk scenario based MCQs about pectoral regions. Let's play. Here is a set of 25 scenario based MCQs on the pectoral region based on BD Chorisya volume 1 upper limb with detailed explained answers. These are exam style high yield and very relevant for first year MBBS anatomy university exam next exam MSPED. So question number 1. A 45-year-old man presents with difficulty in pushing a heavy object away from his body. On examination, winging of the scapula is seen. Which muscle is paralyzed? Option A है pectoralis major, B serratus anterior, C pectoralis minor, D latissimus dorsi. Answer है B serratus anterior. Explanation: winging of scapula occurs due to paralysis of serratus anterior, supplied by the long thoracic nerve. Pectoralis muscle help in pushing, but true winging is only with serratus anterior. Next, a 35-year-old woman presents with a lump in breast. On examination, there is dimpling of the skin over the lump. Which structure is responsible for this clinical sign? Options: A Cooper's ligament, B lactiferous duct, C suspensory veins, D pectoralis major fascia. Answer A Cooper's ligament. Explanation: Cooper's ligaments or suspensory ligaments anchor breast tissue to the skin. When infiltrated by carcinoma, they contract, causing skin dimpling or puckering. This is a key diagnostic feature in breast carcinoma. Next, a boxer presents with inability to flex the arm at the shoulder joint and weakness is adduction. Which muscle is most likely injured? Option A pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, C latissimus dorsi, D subscapularis. Answer A pectoralis major. Explanation: pectoralis major functions in flexion, adduction and medial rotation of the arm. Its injury leads to inability to flex adduct strongly, seen in boxing, weightlifting. Pectoralis minor only help in scapular stabilization, not shoulder flexion. Next, a 50-year-old patient after axillary lymph node clearance develops weakness in extension, adduction and medial rotation of the humerus. Which nerve was most likely injured? Options: A thoracodorsal nerve, B long thoracic nerve, C lateral pectoral nerve, D medial pectoral nerve. Answer A thoracodorsal nerve. Explanation: thoracodorsal nerve supplies latissimus dorsi. Injury causes loss of extension, adduction, medial rotation, difficulty in activities like rowing, swimming. It is at risk during axillary lymph node dissection. Next, question number 5. A young woman with carcinoma of the breast show retraction of the nipple. Which structure is responsible? Options: A involvement of Cooper's ligament, B obstruction of lactiferous duct, C invasion of pectoral fascia, D edema of skin. Answer है B obstruction of lactiferous duct. Explanation: retraction of nipple occurs when lactiferous ducts are infiltrated by tumor. Ducts shorten and pull nipple inward. Cooper's ligament involvement causes skin dimpling, not nipple retraction. Question number 6. During a mastectomy, a surgeon notices bleeding from a large artery running along the lateral border of the pectoralis minor. Which artery is this? Options: A internal thoracic artery, B lateral thoracic artery, C thoracoacromial artery, D subscapular artery. Answer है B lateral thoracic artery. Explanation: the lateral thoracic artery, branch of axillary artery, runs along the lateral border of pectoralis minor. It supplies the lateral part of the breast. Very important during mastectomy. May cause troublesome bleeding if cut. Next, a 28-year-old man develops weakness in protraction and depression of the scapula after trauma. Which muscle is most likely affected? Options: A pectoralis major, B pectoralis minor, C serratus anterior, D subclavius. Answer B pectoralis minor. Explanation: pectoralis minor pulls scapula forward, protraction, and downward depression. It rises from ribs 3 to 5 and insert into coracoid process. Damage cause करेगा, scapular stabilization is weakened. Next, a patient after axillary surgery develops difficulty in surging his shoulder. Which nerve is most likely injured? Options: A. accessory nerve, B. long thoracic nerve, C. thoracodorsal nerve, D. medial pectoral nerve. Answer है A. accessory nerve. Explanation: the spinal accessory nerve, cranial nerve 11th, supplies trapezius. Its injury causes inability to surge shoulder or abduct arm above 90 degree. Since trapezius rotates scapula upward, although not a pectoral nerve, it is at risk in neck axillary dissections. Next, a breast carcinoma is spread to the opposite breast via which lymphatic pathway? Options: A. internal thoracic lymph node, B. lateral thoracic lymph nodes, C. subscapular lymph nodes, D. apical axillary nodes. Answer है internal thoracic lymph nodes. Explanation: breast cancer is spread across the midline via internal thoracic lymph nodes. Most breast lymph node drains to axillary nodes 75%, but medial quadrant drains to internal thoracic chain. Question number 10. A 40-year-old man developed difficulty in forceful inspiration after trauma to the upper chest. Which pectoral muscle assists in deep inspiration? Options: pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, C. serratus anterior, D. subclavius. Answer है A. pectoralis major. Explanation: with arms fixed, hands on hip, holding object, pectoralis major elevates ribs and helps in deep inspiration. This is especially useful in COPD patients. Next, during breast carcinoma surgery, a nerve piercing through pectoralis minor is cut accidentally. Which nerve is this? Option A. lateral pectoral nerve, option B. medial pectoral nerve, option C. long thoracic nerve, option D. thoracodorsal nerve. Answer है B. medial pectoral nerve. Explanation: medial pectoral nerve pierces pectoralis minor before supplying both minor and major. Lateral pectoral nerve only supplies pectoralis major, does not pierce minor. Next, a 55-year-old woman develops puce d'orange appearance, orange peel skin in breast carcinoma. What causes this? Option A. blockage of lactiferous ducts, B. blockage of dermal lymphatics, C. retraction of Cooper's ligament, D. involvement of pectoralis major. Answer है B. blockage of dermal lymphatics. Explanation: in advanced breast cancer, dermal lymphatics are blocked. Edema of skin, tethering by sweat ducts, makes skin look like orange peel, puce d'orange. Next, a patient develops inability to stabilize the clavicle against the first rib. Which muscle is most likely injured? Options हैं A. subclavius, B. pectoralis minor, C. pectoralis major, D. serratus anterior. Answer है A. subclavius. Explanation: subclavius must depresses clavicle and stabilizes it against the first rib during shoulder movement. Its weakness causes inability of sternoclavicular joint. Next, a 20-year-old athlete complains of reduced ability to throw a ball forward with force. Which action of pectoralis major is most affected? Options: A. arm abduction, B. arm flexion, C. arm adduction and medial rotation, D. arm extension. Answer है C. arm adduction and medial rotation. Explanation: pectoralis major is a strong adductor and medial rotator of the arm. These actions are key in throwing or wrestling movements. Next, a patient is diagnosed with injury to the lateral pectoral nerve. Which of the following will be primarily affected? Options: A. function of pectoralis minor, option B. function of pectoralis major, ऑप्शन सी serratus anterior action, ऑप्शन डी subclavius muscle. आंसर है बी फंक्शन ऑफ पेक्टोरलिस मेजर. एक्सप्लेनेशन lateral pectoral nerve C5 to C7 supplies pectoralis major only. Medial pectoral nerve supplies both major and minor. Question number 16. If breast tumor spreads posteriorly to involve the chest wall, which fascia act as a barrier? ऑप्शंस हैं ए क्लेविपेक्टोरल फेशिया, बी पेक्टोरल फेशिया, सी एक्सिलरी फेशिया, डी एंडोथोरेसिक फेशिया. आंसर है बी पेक्टोरल फेशिया. Explanation. Pectoral fascia covers pectoralis major and acts as a barrier to deep spread. Tumor infiltration causes fixation of breast to chest wall. Next, during central venous catheter insertion, the needle passes near the subclavius muscle. What is the role of this muscle? ऑप्शन हैं ए एलिवेट्स क्लेविकल, बी डिप्रेसेस क्लेविकल, सी एलिवेट्स स्केपुला, डी रिट्रैक्ट्स स्केपुला. आंसर है बी डिप्रेसेस क्लेविकल. एक्सप्लेनेशन सबक्लेवियस पुल्स क्लेविकल डाउनवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड स्टेबलाइजिंग स्टर्नोक्लेविकुलर जॉइंट. वेरी स्मॉल बट क्लिनिकली सिग्निफिकेंट. Next, a 60-year-old woman with advanced breast carcinoma shows fixation of the breast to the pectoralis major. This indicates spread into which layer? Options are retromammary space, B pectoral fascia, C clavipectoral fascia, D subcutaneous tissue. Answer है A retromammary space. Explanation. Retromammary space lies between breast tissue and pectoral fascia. Carcinoma spreads air, cause breast losses mobility and becomes fixed to chest wall. Next, question number 19. Which nerve must be preserved during mastectomy to prevent paralysis of latissimus dorsi? Options A long thoracic nerve, B thoracodorsal nerve, C medial pectoral nerve, D lateral pectoral nerve. Answer है B thoracodorsal nerve. Explanation. Thoracodorsal nerve root value C6 to C8 supplies latissimus dorsi. At risk during axillary lymph node dissection must be preserved. Next, in breast carcinoma, why is the axilla always examined? Options to check muscle weakness. Option B to assess lymph node involvement. C to check nerve injury. D to evaluate clavicle stability. Answer B to assess lymph node involvement. Explanation. Breast cancer spread primarily via axillary lymph node 75%. Examination of axilla crucial for staging of carcinoma. Next, a patient develop loss of sensation in the skin overlying pectoralis major after axillary surgery. Which nerve is most likely injured? Options A intercostobrachial nerve, B medial cutaneous nerve of arm, C lateral pectoral nerve, D thoracodorsal nerve. Answer है A intercostobrachial nerve. Explanation. Intercostobrachial nerve branch of second intercostal nerve supplies skin of upper medial arm and chest wall. Commonly cut during axillary surgery, causes numbness. Next, the clavipectoral fascia encloses which muscle? Options A subclavius, B pectoralis minor, C serratus anterior, D both A and B. Answer है D both A and B. Explanation. Clavipectoral fascia encloses subclavius plus pectoralis minor. It also transmits cephalic vein, thoracoacromial artery and lateral pectoral nerve. Next, a patient presents with difficulty in driving the arm forward, as in hugging. Which muscle is primarily responsible? Options है A latissimus dorsi, B pectoralis major, C serratus anterior, D subclavius. Answer है B pectoralis major. Explanation. Pectoralis major brings arms forward across chest, horizontal adduction, essential for hugging and throwing. Next, during breast surgery, why is the long thoracic nerve preserved? Options: to prevent winging of scapula, B, to prevent paralysis of pectoralis minor, option C, to maintain shoulder shrugging, option D, to protect breast sensation. Answer है A, to prevent winging of scapula. Explanation: long thoracic nerve supplies serratus anterior. Its injury causes winging of scapula and inability to abduct arm above 90 degree. Last question. A young male develops a fracture of the clavicle. Which muscle prevents upward displacement of the medial fragment? Options: A, sternocleidomastoid, B, pectoralis major, C, subclavius, D, trapezius. Answer B, pectoralis major. Explanation: sternocleidomastoid pulls medial fragment upward. Pectoralis major prevent excessive upward displacement by pulling downward. Thank you.